it's Sasha and I'm so happy to see you on my Art Fishler school channel. So today we will paint watercolor picture, this one. It's Asian style picture. This is a grandma who are selling on Vietnamese market some limes. And for this picture you will need watercolor, you will need pencil, eraser, black pen, or it can be liner, and some soft brushes and water, of course. Please, if you like this video, give me your feedback and subscribe my channel if you love it. Thank you so much, and let's start.
So today we're gonna draw the grandma who are selling limes on the Vietnamese market. It's very iconical actually subject for Asia, especially for Vietnam. First, I'm making some frame with the tape, and also it will help you to keep your paper always straight if you will use this kind of tape. So your watercolor paper should be fixed on a surface. Now let's make a sketch. We will start with the head. I recommend you to see first, watch what I'm doing, and then repeat. So by the way, you can find the reference in the link below. So first we're doing the head. It's like half circle, and it took me almost half of the paper size. The next step is shoulder, and it's still almost half, so the body and head take us half left side. And now arms. First leg and now arms. Arms are actually not easy part usually. So don't be scared to use a little bit more time to do this. And second one. And she's holding money. So first I'm just making the size of arms, and then I'll do details. Please pay attention that arms looks quite small. It's because of the perspective, because of the age, how we looking on this woman from behind, and her shoulder is very close to us, but arms quite more far, so they look smaller. Now we make an ellipse, but actually please make it horizontal, because this you can see on the reference it looks exactly like this, but I recommend you to make it just horizontal because it will look more natural. And I would like to add 2 more tape line to make a beautiful frame. Let's continue. one more ellipse, and here we're gonna put weights. But again, let's make it vertical. So that's the bowl on the weights. Yeah, now you see how I'm fixing this part. And now let's do some more details. Let's make it more careful each finger. There is some pattern on her shoulder, and we need to draw some lines also. And now we can start to paint, but first uh, let's make some lines which are really dark, a little bit lighter with the eraser. uh, if you have a dark lines. And now I will not comment everything, but the main part is first we doing everything just wet, and our background we doing on the wet paper. So first it's very transparent and light colors. As you can see, I'm using green and some blue, and everywhere I'm just doing light colors. First yellow on the limes, some green, very light and easy colors for the head. I'm mixing ochre and some red brown. Somewhere for the background also a mix of brown and blue, ultramarine actually. And only after this, when we finished our background, we are going to make some more details. We are going to do some half shadows. And be careful, don't make everything too dark. Also, don't forget that our first plan is head and shoulder, and we need to do this as more bright and contrasting as we can. For the body color, I'm using, you can see, quite dark color. It's ochre mixed with brown and some ultramarine, because I'd like to make it really like Asian style of skin, especially for the women who working on the market. They have quite dark color. So as you can see, I'm using liner in the end, and here I'm using it mostly on the first plan, on the first half, especially on the head, a little bit details on pajama, and for the arms, because it's important part. Make sure that your grandma, not your, but which you paint, looks like really on the first plan. You can feel that she is close to you. I'm just making a little bit brighter my limes from the first bowl. Yeah, and we are almost done. Thank you so much for being with me on my Fishler Art School channel. Please like this video and comment if you love it. And I'll hope to see you on my next videos. Thank you so much and bye bye.